teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access. Want to learn new words and phrases so you can speak more? Stick around. 5 simple ways to learn new words and phrases and speak more. In this guide, you'll discover the 5 simple ways to pick up new words, how to get the words played on repeat until they're stuck in your head, the one science-backed learning method that will help you remember the words, how to learn through conversations instead of learning words one at a time, and much more. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. So, how can you pick up new words and phrases easily? 1. Learn through conversations with conversational lessons. The most pain-free way to pick up new words is through conversations. Why? Because it's better to hear words in context and see how they're used in actual sentences instead of learning them one by one. And with our audio and video lessons, you'll hear a quick conversation between 2 native speakers. And then you'll get every grammar rule and word explained so that you understand everything and so that you know how to use the words in actual conversations. 2. The word of the day. Many of our users love this free feature because it helps them create a habit of learning the language. Every day, you get an email with a word, the definition, and the audio pronunciation. And in just a minute or less, you've picked up a new word. 3. Use our spaced repetition flashcards. Spaced repetition flashcards are a powerful way to learn words fast and actually remember them in the long run. How? Here's how they work. Just start a session and start reviewing the words. So if you get a word wrong, you'll keep getting tested on it in that session until you get it right. Once you get the word right, you'll see it again in 2 days, then 5 days, then 13 days, and so on. And this is a science-backed method called spaced repetition learning. By spacing out the words, your memory gets stronger every time you come back to that word. Except you don't have to remember to come back because the flashcards will quiz you when the time is right. So look for the flashcards in the vocabulary drop-down menu on the site. 4. Get access to hundreds of free vocabulary and phrase lists. Now, if you want to learn words around a certain topic, then check out our free vocabulary list inside that same vocabulary drop-down menu. There, you'll find hundreds of lists around common topics such as greetings, verbs, adverbs, the weather, and much more. 5. Learn words on repeat with the vocabulary slideshow. If you're the type of person who only learns after hearing something repeated multiple times, then you'll want to check out our vocabulary slideshow study tool. You'll find it in our lessons and the free vocabulary lists. With the vocabulary slideshow, you can play the words in the example sentences on repeat, with translations, without translations, and at whichever speed you want, fast or slow, until the words get stuck in your head. So, if you want to get access to these resources and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools. Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets.